Hey, it's Richard Geller. Loan mods are illegal to do for profit. Is that true? I want to discuss that because I've got a lot of input here. I've gone to a lot of trouble to look into this constantly as we've gotten very popular and successful with Loan Mod Magic, which is the #1 course for loan mods for profit on the web, one of the first ones, and the one that's copied all over the place. So a lot of my subscribers are telling me. So I got a note here that just came in over the weekend. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I think you'll find it interesting. Hello, Richard. I receive your emails all the time, and I believe you are offering top-notch service. I was reading the below message about certain of your subscribers worrying about doing loan mod service when they are not a licensed attorney. I live and work in New York, and I am a licensed attorney in New York and Connecticut. And I'd love to assemble a network of your subscribers to work with me under my law licenses. I do have one problem, though. I have submitted a loan mod application for my own first. I won't tell you the mortgage company. And second, in December 2008, and I have not been able to get them, the first one, to respond to me in a phone call or in a letter. I was told only yesterday that the second lender is still working on my file. He has working on his file. But they indicated to me yesterday they can't finalize anything unless until the first position mortgage finalizes their modification. I am afraid of taking on a lot of loan mod business, only to find out the lenders don't respond. So anyway, he goes on about the whole thing, the whole story here. It's kind of amazing. So skipping all the details, my only fear about a loan mod business is not being able to get the lender to respond, which obviously is critical. Would this mean I'd have to personally force a response in order to show cause, petition in court for each file, which could be costly and time-consuming, and fees generated may not cover this type of legal effort? My experience with blankety blank mortgage is disturbing. Oh, did I mention that blankety blank mortgage is a subprime pick-a-payment adjustable mortgage that originated 2 years ago? Blah, blah, blah. Anyway. And then he talks about the Chase rep gave me a phone number for the Help Alliance, which is supposed to help for this. Who are they and what can I expect from them? Are they another waste of time? Wow. Anyway, here's the story here. I have thousands of subscribers who have purchased my courses and are doing short sales, loan mods, 9-day house sales, loss mitigation, workouts for themselves, for their families, for friends, for clients, as a business, full-time, part-time. I could talk to 2 of them over this weekend. In fact, one of them had like 30 files that, loan mod, actually each of them had about 30 or 40 files. And it just was interesting speaking to the subscribers. I speak to people all the time who are actually my subscribers who have bought my products and are successfully working with us. In fact, we have a loan mod specialist that we do a conference call with, who I work with. She's done about 1,500 of these things, she says. And she's just brilliant at this. And you're going to learn a tremendous amount when you either get my course or even on the free webinars that we have. I want to tell you, for example, I've put something together that you're going to get when you get my course right now. All 50 states, I've gotten to the trouble of researching where you get the law, where you get the rules. I'm not going to give you all the legal advice because I can't do that, but I give you the resources, exactly where to look. So all you have to do is look up your state, and then you just go to that website, read the rules, that's it. Basically, that's what you got to do. And then you can understand how it's legal to do loan mods for profit in your state. Every state is legal to do loan mods for yourself or for family or friends if you're not charging them anything, I'm assuming. But in some states, if you do loan mods for profit, you need to follow certain rules. Now, most states you can do this if you're not a lawyer. There are some states that say you have to be a lawyer, but there's only a few of those. And you have to just look up the laws that I've given you in this book. So when you get my course, Loan Mod Magic, you'll get this book as well, so you'll be able to look it up and understand the rules for yourself. But there are very few states where you can't do loan mods at all for profit. You just have to follow certain rules, and the rules are stated, and now I made it real easy to find the rules. So here are some subscribers I recently heard from, just recently, a few days ago. Okay. Richard, your loan mod prep package has increased my business and revenue during the slow real estate market and has given me the privilege to help homeowners live a normal life in their own home. I have saved them thousands of dollars on their mortgages. Thank you. And that is from Homa Puga, Burke, Virginia. I hope I didn't mangle your name. These are just two that I got last day or two. Richard, I would like to thank you for your loan mod course and the great info that you supply. After submitting the loan mod package to City Mortgage, they called within 24 hours and offered the client a $1,000 reduction in the mortgage. This is $1,000 a month. Her payment went from $26.90 a month to $16.90. My second case study is with blankety blank mortgage. They get, I'll just say it, Yale Mortgage. They gave us approval in 24 hours, reducing the payment from $16.90 to $1,200. We have recently purchased your TILA secrets and hope to have the same success. And that is Ian Williams, Dynamic Home Solutions Group, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And all the people, I have hundreds of these, all the people that give me case studies, you give me permission to use their name or part of the name, but everything is documented on file. Nobody's paid a single dime or penny to give case studies. So anyway, I've got lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of these. So back to the lawyer guy, Kevin. I'm sure a lot of my guys are going to step forward and they're going to say, I want to work with you, Kevin. I'll do the work, use your license, you oversee the work, and you pay me for the loan mod work. I'm sure that will happen. So Kevin's in New York and Connecticut licensed. There are a few states where it's just a lot better being a lawyer. It's easier. There's absolutely no reason you can't get into the loan mod business, whatever you're doing, because you can find a lawyer who will work with you, even in states where it's easier to be a lawyer to do loan mods. Do you think the lawyer is going to do the work? No, the lawyer is going to oversee what you do. You're going to do the work. This is a tremendous opportunity. Millions of people need loan mods today. So I hope that you think about getting into this business or just getting my course just to learn how to do them for yourself, for your friends, your family. Why not, right? I just had a friend, old buddy of mine. I've probably known him since high school. He was telling me about his house. He's got like a, $1.5, $2 million house in California. He got a mod. He's saving like $2,000, $2,500 a month on his loan. So anyway, you can do the same thing. There's no reason why you shouldn't get into this. It's Richard Geller, and I will speak with you soon. Thank you.